Welcome back students. Today our tutorial topic basic medical symbols. Myself Mr. A. Shankar, Assistant Professor, Department of Medical Laboratory Technology, School of Medical Allied Sciences. Our course code BMLS 1004 and course name Medical Terminology, Record Keeping and Orientation to the MLS. The objectives. After completion of this topic, student can able to or can understand introduction of basic medical symbols and this basic medical symbols example with the structure. Okay, he can identify easily which are the patient seats having the like a symbols. Okay, mostly we can see the patient case studies. In the patient case study, they are making like a arrow marks. Some arrow marks you can understand and circle or dash marks. What is the meaning of that each symbol? We will discuss on this topic. In introduction, the medical symbols are play most important role in healthcare system. Symbols are can minimize writing time. Okay, symbols are writing minimize time. For example, you can see the where the when you are going on the road, they are making some symbols, straight arrow mark like U-turn, like they are making symbol. They didn't write the U-turn complete word. Okay, for reading, for example, when you are driving on the car, okay, you don't have that much of time for reading complete sentence. When you see the symbols, okay, here is the U-turn, here is the circle is there, here you can go the right, you can go the left, you can go the straight. Okay, if it is if you are writing turn right, turn left, that one, it should be like some difficult to reading and difficult to understanding. Everyone cannot read English. Okay, it's simply when you see those some particular symbols, some particular icon, you can understand easily. Okay, this symbol or this icon related to particular that word, like a increase. Increase means something increased quantity or levels are increased from compared with the normal. Okay, that symbol how we can make it like a arrow marks, like a rising arrow marks. Okay, let's see the symbols. What are the symbols here? Now starting with the medical symbols, see, can see the greater than. I think you know very well this normal symbols. Your mathematics you are studied in the like a standard plus standard and 8th class also, greater than and less than. Okay, this is the one of the term they are using, mostly are using in the medical side, like pharmacy or any other medical reports also we can use this greater than symbol. Next one, less than. Okay, difference between the less than and greater than. Okay, you can see the symbol is there. The V is the like it turn to the left, it is the less than turn to the right, the corners you can see here. And next one, you can see the 3 marks is there. You can see the 2 marks is there. One is the arrow mark, it will be showing the top, another one showing the below. Are you able to see? Now, what is the meaning of this one? You can see decrease and increase. Why it's a decrease and increase? Here one midpoint is there. The center is the midpoint is there, particular constant normal value. For example, the human body, human blood contain 90 degrees mg random blood glucose. The random blood glucose, when it will be rise like 140, they mention the increase 140 mg for dl. Okay, increase. If it is same, the from the 90, it's down, the fall down the result of the blood sugar, like how it will be decreased, like based upon some metabolic activities inside of the human body, carbohydrate metabolism, insulin metabolism, based upon that one it can be decreased sometimes. So sometimes decrease, sometimes increase. Okay, if it is decrease means fall down the compare with the low. For example, 90. 90 is the normal. From the 92, it can be reduced. It can be reduced up to the 50 or 60. That is the decrease. We can call the decrease. Okay, when is some particular constant levels is there, from that constant level, either it is increase or decrease, that is we can use this type of the symbols like a increase and decrease. Next one, triangular symbol. Next one, triangular symbol. You can see here this triangle is indication changes. Something changes is there in the parameters during the diagnosis part or during the treatment part. Anywhere something changes will be happen. Okay, that is the triangle. Okay, for example, one person having the only vomiting. Okay, from the vomiting to its clinical symptom changes to the diarrhea. They mention triangle. Vomit, triangular, changes to triangular symbol and changes to diarrhea. Like simple terminology. Okay, that something changes is there. Next one, you can see approximately. The S will be horizontal. The S is the horizontal. That is the approximately. It's not perfect. Approximately means it's not exactly quantitative. Okay, you can, we are not given the exactly 100 mg, 200 mg, 300 mg. Approximately, either it means between some various between or something. Approximately, for example, you can take the one piece of the stones. Small stones like okay, we are unable to count that one. You can say the approximately. You can say the approximately 500, approximately 300 is there. For example, in the long distance, some people are standing there, but we are unable to count. Just you can say the approximately. Okay, approximately there 100 persons are standing, 100 people are there. Like that one, approximately we can say. Next, positive plus symbol. Plus symbol indication positive. This symbol mostly we can see our result, our reporting as a medical lab technologist. We are given to the report. Okay, sometimes positive or negative, reactive or non-reactive. It can be positive. Okay, plus means the positive. Always must you should remember the plus indication, positive indication. It means presence, something presence inside, like a positive, A blood group positive, A positive, AB negative, something antibodies are present related to the A. The same here we have to understand what is the mean by positive, something presence. Negative, something absence, which are we are going for the identification, that components are absent. For example, we are going to estimation of the antibodies. If it is present, you can give the antibodies are present. If it is antibodies are negative, you can give the antibodies negative. The simple example, positive or negative, plus minus. Negative means minus and plus means positive. And next one, a continuation of the slides. M, the simple M, the capital M, they are murmur. Okay, some of the mental disorder patients, some mental disorder patient, they are talking themselves only. Okay, murmuring, something murmuring. They are doing something. We don't know what they are doing, but they are talking something. We cannot understand. That is the murmuring. They mention the doctor will be clinician mention the M. Next one, 2 degrees. Okay, secondary 2. It means one infection or one disease from the stage 1 to stage 2 it will be changing. The secondary, from the first to secondary, it will be increasing. It's increasing the clinical condition. And next, equal to, already we know very well, equal to the same equal. Okay, my right hand equal to left hand. That is the meaning. Now you can see right click. check on. Right click is the check on. It means we are checked. It means we are reading properly. Check on. You can see the doctor mostly the prescription slip everything typed. Sometimes they are giving check box. Just doctor will be check click it. Cough. Okay. Fever. No. If it is fever is not that patient, you can leave it that column. And next one we can go for the if it is body pain, check it. If it is body pain is there, the check columns is there. That is the checking. Okay. The right mark should be check on. Otherwise we cannot use anywhere. Next one. This is also related to the mathematics, and also sometimes we are using the biochemical parameters estimation. Equal to the lesser than, equal to the greater than also is there. You can see this is the symbol. Okay, this is the symbol. This is the less than symbol. Under the less than one line is there, like equal line is there. That is you can call equal to the lesser than. Next one you can see here the greater than symbol is there, and one line is there, that is the equal to greater than. Okay, equal to or greater than. This is the meaning of these both symbols. Next one. I think this is very well, male and female. Male and female. This symbol mostly the circle and circle in the bottom of the circle, if it is plus is there, that is the indication of the female. That is symbol indication of the female. Okay, mostly in medical field we can observe this one, and also you can see the toilet also, but toilet they are mentioned simple toilet in Indian, but somewhere mostly we can see this type of the like airport, central airport, you can see this type of the symbols in the toilets also, male and female. And next one, this symbol in circle this angle, in this angle you can see here arrow marks, in top to the arrow marks, that is the male, that is indication of the male, female and male in medical terminology. And next one, degree, the small circle on top of the number. Okay, on the top of the number, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 4 degrees, 5 degrees in top of the, mostly we can observe in the Celsius, mostly we can observe the temperature Celsius degrees. Okay, that is the degree. Dear students, in the continuation of the medical symbols, X it indication times. Here, when you are writing down the prescription, the doctor no need to time or don't have time to the write complete sentence 3 times or 4 times, 6 times. They are writing 3x. Anywhere they mention the 3x means 3 times. Particular symbol, particular the tablet should be take for a day 3 times. That means a tablet name 3AX. Next one, at it's you can see this symbol, this type of the symbol when you are applying your mail ID, your Gmail account on the mail, you can see the at, this symbol, that is mostly important. And next one, positive or negative, plus or minus. You can see when you are using this type of the positive or negative, mostly the patient report is confused. When you are done the performance the test is not give the positive or it not give the negative. It's like a light reaction. The light reaction is there. Mostly it will be happen in the card test, like a dengue, typhoid, HIV, HBsAg. That time you have to give the positive or negative report, or you can suggest to the higher studies. Like for example, we can HIV for the rapid test, if it is positive or negative, you have to finalized by the Western blot technique. Right. Now you can see 2 dots is there, that is the ratio. 2 dots is there, that's indication ratio. And next, percentage, you know very well, 0 by 0, so that indication of the percentage. And next, F1, first filial generation. F1 means first filial generation, F2 means second filial generation, and PO2 partial pressure of oxygen. PO2 is the partial pressure of oxygen, and PCO2 partial pressure of carbon dioxide. PCO2 partial pressure of carbon dioxide. These are the medical symbols we are regularly used in the patient case studies as well as our reporting system. Okay, these are the basic and questions for you, basic questions and basic knowledge for you. You can prepare according to this symbol, these questions also. Here reference is there for you can prepare from this type of the textbooks and you will get the good knowledge. Thank you my dear students.